Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use Fidelity for investing and retirement planning. Here's full Fidelity investment tutorial for beginners. If you are new to investing and retirement planning, Fidelity Investment offers a comprehensive suite of tools and resources to help you get started. Being by visited Fidelity's website and selecting open an account, you will need to provide personal information such as your name, address, social security number, employment details, and financial information. Fidelity offer various account types including brokerage account, retirement account, and Fidelity Go. Brokerage account is ideal for general investing, allowing you to buy and sell stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Retirement accounts has an option like traditional IRS, Roth IRS, and SEP IRS for retirement savings. Fidelity Go is a robo-advisor service for hands-off investing starting with a $10 minimum balance. After setting up your account, you will need to deposit funds. Fidelity provides several funding options including bank transfer, wire transfer, and check deposits. Bank transfer links your bank account for easy transfer, while wire transfer is for larger or immediate deposits. Check deposit has a mail check to fund your account. Fidelity offers a wide range of investment options like stocks and bonds, mutual funds and ETFs, index funds, and Fidelity Go. Stocks and bonds has direct investment in individual companies or debit securities, while mutual funds and ETFs pooled investment vehicles that offer diversification. Index funds track the performance of a specific index like the S&P 500, and Fidelity Go is for automated, diversified portfolios managed by professionals. Diversification helps spread risk. Fidelity provides tools to help you create a balanced portfolio based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Consider a mix of asset classes. Equitize, fixed income, and international investment. Equitize has stocks for growth potential, while fixed income has bonds for stability and income and exposure to global markets. To stay disciplined, consider setting up automatic contributions to your investment account. This strategy, known as dollar cost averaging, involves investing a fixed amount regularly, reducing the impact of market volatility. Select the right retirement account depending on your employment status and income. Choose a retirement account that suits your needs. Employer-sponsored plan, often with matching contributions, tax-deferred growth with potential tax deductions, and tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. Aim to save at least 15% of your annual income for retirement, including any employer contributions. Fidelity's retirement planning tools can help you determine the right amount based on your retirement goals. Regularly review your retirement accounts to ensure they align with your goals. Fidelity offers tools to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Fidelity provides a wealth of educational materials and tools, learning center, retirement planning calculators, and investment research. Learning Center has access articles, videos, and tutorials on various investment topics and estimate how much you need to save for retirement. Investment Research has analyzed stock, mutual funds, and ETFs with in-depth reports. Here's final tips for beginners. Start early, stay consistent, educate yourself, and seek professional advice. The earlier you begin investing, the more time your money has to grow. Regular contribution can help build wealth over time, and utilize Fidelity's resources to enhance your financial literacy. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Fidelity Investment is a powerful platform that caters to both beginners and experienced investors looking to grow wealth through investing and retirement planning. To get started, you first need to create an account on Fidelity's website, choosing from various options like a general brokerage account for trading stocks and ETFs, or retirement-specific accounts such as traditional IRS, Roth IRS, or SEP IRS, depending on your employment and tax situation. Once your account is set up and verified, you can fund it via bank transfer, wire, or check deposit. Fidelity's user-friendly dashboard then allows you to explore a wide range of investment options, including individual stocks, bonds, index funds, ETFs, and mutual funds. For those who prefer a hands-off approach, Fidelity Go offers a robo-advisor service that automatically invests your money in diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. When building your portfolio, diversification is key. Fidelity provides asset allocation tools that help balance your investment across equities, fixed income, and global assets. You can automate your investments through recurring contributions, a strategy called dollar cost averaging, which helps mitigate market volatility. For retirement planning, Fidelity allows you to choose the right retirement account based on your tax preferences and income. Their planning tools help calculate how much you need to save and track your progress with recommendations for adjustment over time. Fidelity's comprehensive learning center is ideal for beginners, offering tutorials, videos, and market research to help you make informed decisions. With built-in tools for tracking performance, managing risk, and optimizing tax strategies. Fidelity stands out as a reliable and full-featured platform for both investing and long-term retirement planning. Fidelity offers access to a comprehensive set of investment products including stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, options, and fractional shares, and has international and sector-specific funds. This diversity helps investors build well-balanced portfolios. 0% commission on US stock, ETFs, and options, a large selection of no transaction fee mutual funds, and has low cost index funds including Fidelity Zero funds with 0% expense ratios. Fidelity provides robust tools for investment research and analysis, retirement planning calculators, and goal tracking and portfolio analysis. These tools are suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Fidelity Go Robo-Advisor is an automated investment service for hands-off investors, and it requires a low minimum balance, $10 to start, and offers personalized portfolios based on your goals. Fidelity offers multiple retirement account types: IRA, Roth IRA, SEP IRA, 401k rollover. It offers educational content and calculators to estimate how much to save, and it offers tools to optimize tax strategies and investment allocation over time. Fidelity has a highly rated mobile app for trading, research, and account management, and has intuitive web interface with real-time market data and performance tracking. It has free access to webinars, tutorials, and in-depth articles and content tailored to different experience levels, and it has covered a wide range of topics from budgeting to advanced investing. Fidelity is trusted and secure platform, over 75 years of reputation as a financial services leader. It has advanced cybersecurity and give a protection to your account. SIPC insurance on investments and FDIC coverage on eligible cash balances. 24/7 customer service by phone, chat, or in person at Fidelity branches, and it has access to financial advisors for some personalized guidance. So basically, this is the use of Fidelity for investing and retirement planning. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.